How to see saved passwords on Opera. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see saved passwords in your Opera browser. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Opera browser. After you do that, depending on your browser, you might have your settings on the top right corner or right here. Tap on your settings. After you open up your settings, go to privacy and security. After you tap on privacy and security, scroll down until you find the advanced section. Tap on advanced. After you tap on advanced, you'll see password manager. Now, before the next step, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. Tap on password manager, and right here you should be able to see all of your passwords and all of your accounts as well that you have saved your passwords for. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you can see all of your saved passwords on your password manager in Opera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.